Good morning. How was your weekend?
Good morning. It was pretty good, just relaxed at home. How about you?
Same here, did not do much, just some Netflix and chores. By the way, did you catch the game on Sunday?
Nah, I missed it. How did our team do?
They won. It was a close match, but they pulled through in the end.
That's awesome. We needed a win. I hope they keep it up.
Me too. It's more fun when they are winning. So, how's your project coming along?
It's coming along, thanks for asking. I had a bit of a hiccup last week, but I think I have figured it out.
That's good to hear. You always manage to find solutions. If you need any help, just let me know.
Thanks, I appreciate that. Teamwork makes everything easier. Oh, speaking of teamwork, have you met the new guy, Mark?
Yeah, I met him briefly. Seems friendly. What department is he in?
He's in IT, I think. He mentioned something about setting up our new software.
That's cool. We could use some help with that. I shall introduce myself properly later. So, any exciting plans for the evening?
Not really, just a quiet night in. I might cook something nice for dinner. How about you?
I'm thinking of hitting the gym after work, then catching up on my favorite show.
That sounds like a good balance between staying active and relaxing. Have you been going to the gym regularly?
Trying to, but it's not always easy with work and all. I need to stay motivated.
I hear you. Maybe we can be gym buddies and keep each other on track.
That's a great idea. Having a workout partner can be really motivating. Let's do it.
Awesome. We can start next week. By the way, did you hear about the company picnic next month?
Yeah, I did. It sounds like fun. I remember last year's picnic was a blast.
It was. The games, the food, and just hanging out with coworkers, it's a great time.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, and I heard they are doing a potluck this time.
That's cool. I can bring my famous potato salad. What are you thinking of bringing?
I make mean lasagna. I think everyone will love it.
Lasagna sounds delicious. It's going to be a feast. Let's make sure to bring our appetites.
Absolutely. I can't wait for the picnic. So, how's your family doing?
They are good, thanks for asking. Mum's been enjoying her gardening, and Dad's still playing golf every weekend.
Sounds like they are staying active and happy. That's great. Have you seen your niece and nephew recently?
Yeah, they visited last weekend. We played board games and had a mini movie night. It was a blast.
That sounds like so much fun. Quality time with family is precious. By the way, have you tried that new coffee shop on Maple Street?
Not yet, but I have heard their coffee is amazing. Wanna check it out together sometime?
Sounds like a plan. Coffee and good company can't go wrong with that.
Absolutely. We can go this Friday after work. So, how's your workload these days?
It's been a bit hectic, to be honest. But I'm managing, one task at a time. How about you?
Same here, lots of deadlines to meet. But we have got this, right?
Definitely. We are a strong team, and we shall get through it together. Speaking of which, do you need any help with your project?
Thanks for the offer, but I think I'm good for now. If anything comes up, I shall let you know.
No problem. Happy to help if you ever need it. Hey, have you had a chance to review the new office policies?
Yeah, I glanced at them. Anything important I should know about?
Well, there are some updates to the dress code and a new process for requesting time off. It's worth taking a closer look when you have time.
Thanks for the heads up. I shall make sure to go through them. So, any plans for the weekend?
Not yet, but I'm thinking of taking a day trip somewhere. Maybe a hike or a visit to a nearby town.
That sounds like a great way to relax and recharge. I should do something similar. Any recommendations?
How about checking out that nature reserve about an hour's drive from here? I heard it's beautiful.
That sounds like a peaceful escape. I shall look it up and see if it's doable. Thanks for the suggestion.
No problem. Enjoy your weekend, whatever you decide to do. And hey, do you have any plans for your birthday next month?
Not really, just a small gathering with some friends. Nothing too fancy. What about you?
I'm thinking of having a barbecue at my place. It'll be a casual get-together with good food and good company.
Count me in. I shall bring some snacks or drinks. It's going to be a fun celebration.
Awesome. Looking forward to it. So, did you have a chance to look at those reports I sent you last week?
Yeah, I went through them. Everything looks good, but I had a couple of questions. Can we chat about them later?
Of course, we can discuss it after our team meeting this afternoon. Feel free to ask me anything.
Thanks, I appreciate your help with this. Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Absolutely. We are here to support each other and make things happen. Now, let's crush this workday.